Hi guys, I'm Phil Town from Rule 1 Investing, and today I think it's important to acknowledge the price some people have to pay for overspending during the holidays. As a reminder, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications when I release new videos. The holidays. Every day is magical and everyone is jolly, right? Well, the most magical time of the year might just come with its own steep cost that may take the joy right out of the new year. While, of course, I give out my fair share of presents each year, I definitely do, I want to caution you guys against spending too much. It's pretty easy to throw a few large presents on a credit card and forget about it for the next few months. But one day you're going to wake up and there's going to be some major interest you've got to pay down the road, and that can really hurt. In 2018, over 165 million of us shopped over Black Friday weekend, and the average shopper spent over $300 that weekend. Now, stats from the National Retail Federation show that most consumers still have half their holiday shopping left to do. Now, that's a lot of money changing hands, you guys. And while this time of year can definitely come with some great deals, it's becoming more common for people to overspend in a big way and justify it by being able to purchase more things for less. Because that's what they are, right? They're things. Too many of us put so much pressure on ourselves to outdo what we did the year before, and that leads to overspending that can be crippling up to tax season and beyond. Last year, get this, American shoppers had an average of over $1,000 in credit card debt just from holiday spending. Most of the people surveyed say it would take them 5 months to pay off that debt. If that credit card has an interest rate of 15.9% or higher, which is common, that is going to have a massive impact on your finances. So let's talk about how we can fix this, okay? Pretty simple. What you're going to do is you're going to commit to a spending limit when it comes to gifts for friends and family. Most people don't need all that extra stuff that you're out there trying to get them, and you can make the holidays more memorable by focusing on experiences. Gather your family for a tree lighting, visit a local holiday market, or just go have a shared dinner out, or do what we do, build a big bonfire and everybody come over and drink. I'm just kidding. To stick to your spending budget, here's the great trick. Just take the money out in cash right now, stick it in an envelope, and use the cash to pay for gifts. And when that cash is gone, the holiday spending is over and you can go make things in your garage, and we like them just as much anyway. So think about it this way. It's not really about the $1,000 you're going to spend on Christmas gifts, is it? Your hard-earned savings could be building in the stock market. It's what you could have done with the $1,000. Holy smokes, that could change your life. At the end of the day, the holidays are a time to show gratitude, to be grateful to your friends and your family, and stop to truly appreciate people. It doesn't have to be about overspending, and it doesn't have to be about putting yourself in debt for half of the new year. Really, people don't want you to do that. Start today by thinking about where you want to be at the end of next year and how you can take small steps right now to start improving your finances. That would be better for everybody. Now, I'd love to hear from you guys. What's your plan to properly navigate holiday spending and keep it under control? Now, leave a comment below with your answer, and I'll be sure to follow up with you. Oh, and by the way, go make a little gift for the Christmas tree for everybody. They'll love it. Hey, thanks for watching, you guys. Now go play. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and feel it was valuable in teaching you more about the negative effects of holiday spending, hit the like button and please share this video with your friends. And if you want more investing content, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the button on the screen for a free gift. And thanks again for watching.